Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to show you guys what I have planned for today. We are making one-page wonders. They look like this. They have about, I think, 5 pockets in them and are super versatile. I'm also going to tell you guys 3 different ways that you can use these at the end once I make my third one with this paper. We can kind of just jump into it. I do want to just say material is up to you. So you're going to need an 8x8 inch square piece of paper that is double-sided. These are both from digital kits. I did a fun pattern paper from one of our new red kits, and then I just printed a neutral paper from this another kit just on the back here. This is just copy paper. These are 110-pound cardstock, 8x8 inch papers, super cute. They're actually from our book that we made, Vintage Postal. So if you have 8x8 inch scrapbook paper books, then feel free to use those. So let's just jump right into it. You can decide your material. If you want a really thick, kind of bulkier one, use 110-pound cardstock. And if you want something that's a little bit more flimsy, I guess, that's fine as well. And that's what this one is. It's just copy paper. So let's get into it. Now that I have my paper, I'm going to start my first fold. Your first fold determines what this little triangle part at the top, you get to kind of choose what you want it to look like. So whatever you want this to look like, that's going to be your top right corner. So I'm going to just like kind of look at it. I really want the butterflies. I think I'll do it this way and just have a little upside down butterfly peeking through. So this is mine that I want showing, and you're going to just fold up like that and carefully crease that first line like that. Then you're going to open it back up and you're going to fold this corner to your middle fold. That doesn't need to be perfect. At this point you can just either glue it down or just leave it or cut it. I like to cut it because it gives you some extra paper to put on the front when you're done. So I'm going to cut mine off. You can use a zippy cutter or scissors. For the sake of a straight line, I'm going to use this little zippy cutter. And if you need help seeing your line, especially if you have like a dark patterned paper, because I know you guys probably cannot see this on screen, but I'm just cutting off that small little line. But if you need help seeing it, you can actually get some of your distress ink and rub it on the line, and that will show you where to cut a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to set this little guy aside for now and go back to our folding. So this is where you can kind of change the look of your cut a little bit. I already know what I like, so I'm going to mark that and then I'll let you guys know the measurements. But we're going to create this fold right here, and I'll let you know how far in I am cutting. If you want to measure from the bottom, that is totally fine. So let's do centimeters. It's a little bit, there we go. Sorry, it's a little bit tricky at this angle. So, it is about 9.5 centimeters. It does not have to be exact, but that's, you're gonna fold, you're gonna mark at 9.5 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters, and fold that in. To get a straight fold, make sure that your bottom edge here is lined up with your other bottom edge underneath, like that. And then again, that's super cute. I love this one. It is really fun. All right, this is a good time to ink a little bit. So I'm really going to focus on getting these slanted corners. And this top piece here. You might have to unfold it a little bit to get some of those papers. Okay, and then here's the easy part. You're actually going to, you see how these open? going to grab this corner or the other corner. You can decide which corner you tuck in. I'm just going to tuck it in like that and press it down. If you want a super secure feel, go ahead and just glue those down. And also we're going to be gluing down this little flap here. So as you can see, it goes all the way through and we just want that glued down. I'm gonna grab my art glitter glue. No matter what, I get so many questions on this bottle. This is just art glitter glue, and then I've put it in this small bottle that seems to work better than the actual art glitter glue bottle. I just get a lot of questions on it, and if you really want to know the exact stuff, you can go to my Amazon storefront, which is linked in this description. So I have that all done. I can finally finish inking up all of my other edges that are exposed. Go. They love these papers together. That is cute. Okay, and then I have this, so I can, if I want, put an extra layer on to this little front corner. Here, I'll show you. You can see I added an extra triangle onto both of these one-page little wonders. And so that's what I'm going to do. To do this, all I do is just lay it where I'm going to want it. And I try to get an equal border. It's probably about 1/2 centimeter. And then I just mark, just kind of guesstimate. And again, for the sake of a straight line, I'm gonna use the zippy cutter. Okay, wait a minute. There we go. It does not have to be perfect. This is a fun one-page wonder because there's very little waste, which always makes me happy. Then we're just going to glue it to the paper. And of course, you can embellish it more and do what you want to make it look your style exactly. But I just want to show you guys the 3 different ideas of what you can do with these adorable one-page wonders. So idea number 1 is just to use it as is. You can put, like for a birthday card, you can put a gift card in here, a little letter, a tag. You can kind of stuff it with some goodies. It's super strong, especially if you use the 110-pound cardstock. It's a great option. Super cute. You can customize it, add their name, add a little tag on top with like an eyelet and a string. So that's one idea. So let's say I did that with that one. Idea number 2. Let's see, I had these. 2 other ideas are going to be using them in a journal instead of as is, like this one. But this one you could turn into an envelope. And so to do that, you would actually, let's do it with this one because I am sad to bend the other one. You actually would just fold your top down like so, ink it, embellish, and then glue this side into a journal like that. And then you open it up and you have all these really cute pockets, tons of pockets to use. And that's a really fun idea because when you open it up, it just is more than you expect from an envelope. It's like, wow, you know, just lots of color and lots of fun. And then the 3rd idea is to turn it into a flip flap in a journal. So to do that, you would actually, I'm going to just show you with this one, actually. You would do the same thing. You'd fold it right here, just across the top, except this time you're going to fold it backwards. So like this, then you would actually glue this piece here into a journal. So it's glued down, it doesn't move right there, and it would be a flip flap, and you could put another card under here, journaling space, tidbits, lots of fun things that you could actually hide in it. And then this side you could just put tags in and everything. And it's really cute because it's just, it'd be a little flip-flop with some hidden journaling space. So those are my 3 kind of random quick ideas. There's a little bit more that you could do with that, I'm sure. So whatever works for you, do it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video of these one-page wonders. I will link the kit to these cute red papers as well as this neutral paper to my Etsy. And if those aren't your style, we have so many fun digitals for you guys that we have handcrafted and made over the years. We have so many. And then I know if you guys are wanting the 8x8 scrapbook paper books, paper pads, I guess, we're actually doing another release in spring. So it won't be for a second, but it'll be really cute. I already have a few of the ideas in the works. These will be available, okay? I have just a few of them, but I'm going to be releasing some new designs as well. This is exciting stuff. And so just keep your eye out for that. Make sure you're signed up for our newsletter. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.